We run things. Things go wrong.
The reason you don't believe is you don't believe. It's easy as cake out the box. I never took a flu shot, that's why I'm so ill. Flow with skill plus divine will. Old homies pushing pills like the bully down the hill. It's sad to witness his weight don't relate to fitness. Mass reducer from his body, no Pilates. Politely I'm writing, describing decisions, visions and conditions we earthlings living from beginning to finish. It's written out for beta. See the data's recorded before the age of information. Phony homies receiving amputation, chasing education and inspiration to youth. True story, so God be the glory, living his story. Dear mama, I'm sorry for my disrespect. When you check my attitude, speaking loud at you as if I'm grown. Truth be known, I could not make it alone. Father, forgive me, speak through me as I sing this song. Love me unconditionally, like intimate kiss. We made not love, so acid or disaster from what I thought ought to been. All should cringe at the thought of sin. Love me unconditionally, like intimate kiss. We made not love, so acid or disaster from what I thought ought to been. All should cringe at the thought of sin.
Younger days, he thought that his life was really rough. Really. Hopefully this pain will give him strength to get accustomed to the stuff. Get stronger. Now it's 2 a.m. and he just tryna dodge raindrops. Drop. Hopefully the Lord save him in time. Save him, sinner and he know it. Can you see it in his face? Alcohol was everywhere, hate in every place. Need to save his soul, but he don't even know locations of a church to go and hasn't been to one in ages. He thinks that he's gonna enter, afraid that they gon' point their finger. Boy, you need to stay still, young son. You know that they will.
Love me unconditionally, like intimate kiss. We made not love, so acid or disaster from what I thought ought to been. All should cringe at the thought of sin. Love me unconditionally, like intimate kiss. We made not love, so acid or disaster from what I thought ought to been. All should cringe at the thought of sin.
As I'm feeling the melody, I'm flying, setting my spirit free. Last night I had an epiphany. It's all about perspective. I hope you're feeling me. A higher level of therapy. To be happy, it's only fair to be only remedy when I'm stressing these problems. Trying to riddle me, but never killing me. No, humble, tall, and quiet like a tree. All I see is growth. Agree or disagree, I still move like a good fella from Sicily. I John Kennedy flows. That's what happens when music is all you know. What's a dream without goals? What's a song without touching your soul? I spit it like this, and maybe you could relate. Feeling low, this might help you levitate. Higher mind state, spreading the fire from state to state. The younger kids are listening, so I pray that they can learn from my mistakes and paint a vivid picture to find a way throughout the harder days to cross your problems over like a penny harder way. I got a penny to my name, tryna flip it to $1. I'ma flip it to a dream, to a place they call tomorrow. I believe in me, you ain't gotta follow. Don't owe nobody, but I owe my mama. Hate it or love it, you got to
love me unconditionally, like intimate kiss. We made not love, so acid or disaster from what I thought ought to been. All should cringe at the thought of sin. Love me unconditionally, like intimate kiss. We made not love, so acid or disaster from what I thought ought to been. All should cringe at the thought of sin.
Damn. If I can find it.